I'm happy to introduce our exam section of the Kuvempu University. Kuvempu University is going ahead with the students-friendly practices in the administration, especially the concern to the exam branch. We have taken many important steps to help the students. In the university, we have practice of complete online to help the students. Since from the admission process from the colleges, they need not to come to the university to get any of the information. The information will be available at the fingertips and it reaches to the doorsteps of the students. From the colleges, the admission process takes completely online. After approval from the college, it comes to university to the academic section. Then the approved list comes to the examination branch. Then it will be approved. After approval, then automatically the students will get the web-based hall tickets. They need not to come to the university to get the hall tickets. Then they can get the even a timetable also, examination timetable also, they can be downloaded from the system. This is a system we introduced in the Kuvempu University to help the students. Even payment of the fee also, it is complete web-based. We have given so many options for the students to pay the fee. Then once the payment of the fee completes, then automatically they can view, they can get the message through the web-based. So these are the best practices we have introduced in the Kuvempu University. Say for example, even the conduction of examination also complete online we have gone. Generation of the invigilator diaries at the examination centers. Then the generation of the hall tickets also web-based. Students can have their hall tickets along with the photo. They can download. Then the answer scripts also were made such a way that it is completely safety measure have taken. QR code answer scripts are introduced. Then automatically once the examination is over, then the QR code information will comes to the university system. Then whether at what time you completed examination, at what time the students have written examination, everything will be available in the university system. That's all about the prior to the conduction of the examinations. Then the once examination is completed, then we have the evaluation system. Evaluation system also complete online. The answer scripts will be shifted to the evaluation center of the Kuvempu University. Exclusive automation is introduced to the in the university system. After receiving the answer sheets, then the bundle itself weighed in the balance. Whether these many number of answer scripts are there or not will be come to know. Even one script is missed will come to know before opening of the answer sheet bundle from the various colleges. Once answer sheet bundle is open, then automatically it goes for the further process taking from the coding. Then after coding, the answer sheets will be issued to the evaluators. Then here also one system we made that the evaluator at what time the answer sheet has been taken, at what time after evaluation has been returned to the center, then what time the evaluators entered into the hall, what time they left the hall, everything will be noted through the CC camera as well as automation. This type of the system we have introduced to help and monitor the system continuously. Then once the evaluation is over, complete evaluation is over, within 1 hour the examination results will be announced. And this system also introduced very happily to help the students. Then other process of the evaluation taking from the re-evaluation, challenge evaluation, re-tutoring, all these things also were introduced online. Students, if they want to have the re-evaluation, they can submit their application through the online only. Then after re-evaluation, completion of the process within 10 days, the results will be announced, and complete process of the evaluation if takes place within 30 days, the marks cards will be issued to the respective colleges and students. This system we introduced to help the students. Any of the system, if any inconvenience is taking place with the students, we have also made 3 helplines to attend the students' queries. So with this, now Coimbatore University is having a 0 error and 0 queries exam system with the transparency. We maintained it. Coming to the various sections of the Coimbatore University exam section, take for example on the account section. The evaluators, after completion of the examinations, online bill submission is there. So whatever the remuneration, whatever the honorarium they get at the end of the completion of the process of the evaluation, they can submit their honorarium bill online, and within no time the honorarium will be paid to directly to their account. So this system keeps us to serve the people very urgently and transparently and accurately. Similarly, the malpractice cases also. The malpractice cases also will be booked from the various centers, and that also will be taken to the university, and quickly the malpractice cases will be placed before the judge, and this will be completed within no time. This process also taking place very honestly.